Have you been looking for new construction homes in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area with the primary bedrooms on the main level with amenities in the neighborhood? If this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about living in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you'll be the first to know about the real estate market right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people build generational wealth by being their advisor, guiding and supporting them as they purchase their dream home and sell at the best price. And we would love to help you too. Now, whether you're looking to move in the next 10 days or in the next 10 months, go ahead and reach out to us. We get calls, emails, and messages from people like you all the time. All of our contact information are in the description box below. Look forward to hearing from you and helping you avoid costly mistakes and make it a smooth move right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. All right, so there's a little bit of construction going on today. As you can see, they're working on the landscaping on this house. We're gonna take a look at that one there as well. That's the Kendrick floor plan, which is a pretty large home. And 2-car garage. Now this neighborhood is a hardy board neighborhood, so no vinyl siding for these homes here. Nice size front porch, so you can put some rocking chairs or whatever you want to put out here to, a nice little setup to sit out here and enjoy the outside of your home. Okay, got some glass in the front door here, transom window. One of the things about DRB homes is they build a lot of their homes with a lot of windows, so you usually get a lot of natural light with these DRB floor plans. Okay, so as you come in here, now if you build this as a 3-bedroom, you can build this from scratch, and they do have lots available in the neighborhood here. If you build it, you can build it without the upstairs. Now this one does have the upstairs. So you have this room here that's a study, it's set up as a study, but you could build it and just maybe make this a bedroom if you wanted to, because you've got that space there you could use as a closet. So this house here, you got nice wide plank, luxury vinyl planks on the floors here. Okay, and this goes upstairs. We'll check that out in a moment. And let's check out this room here. So you've got the bathroom, your powder room here. So you got your powder room and bedroom here. And as you can see, no carpet in this bedroom. And this house is actually for sale right now. And list price is $411,990. Okay, so it's the bedroom on this side of the house. You got the ensuite bathroom for this bedroom as well, and this is not the primary bedroom. You got the gray cabinets in here in that bathroom. As you can see, you got a window there, so you lets in some natural light as well. Okay, and let me pan around here so you can see that front entryway. So you see you got the crown molding over there, crown molding here in the foyer. Nice size foyer as well too. So you see how wide this foyer is. All right, so as you come in here, nice and open, nice looking fireplace. Got the stone around it, gas logs, kitchen, you got the subway tile backsplash, pantry closet, okay, got the island there, quartz countertops, refrigerator goes there, gas range, built-in microwave, you got those under cabinet lighting there, which is nice. Brass fixtures. And you got stainless steel appliances, and you got some outlets around here too. And I've had some people like these single bowl sinks. Some people, don't like it, but I think there's something you can buy to put inside to kind of give you a little bit of separation. But, I know some people love them, some people don't quite like them as much. Plenty of windows in here, so you've got, plenty of natural light coming in into the home. And let's check out this screen porch. Nice size screen porch here. Got a ceiling fan in here as well. Okay. I mean, the only thing I do wish that they would put a little bit more concrete there, so you have a place to put a grill or something like that. But I'm sure you can add that later. Lots of recessed lighting in here. So let's check out the primary bedroom. First, we'll check out the linen closet right here. And then the primary. So we haven't seen any carpet yet. So far all we're seeing is this white plank luxury vinyl planks. So, but there is carpet upstairs. Tray ceiling in here, and you got a couple of windows. All right, double sinks, again, same gray cabinets, black fixtures. Okay, nice size shower. Got a little bench there. Transom window, so again, letting in some natural light. You do have two shower heads here, so you got one on that side, one there. A frameless glass shower door. Okay, tiled all the way to the ceiling. You got the toilet over here on this side. Okay, walk-in closet. Again, you're still seeing the same white plank flooring on the floors here. Like I said, this home is available for sale. The list price currently is at $411,990. Now, this builder is offering incentives as well. So, and I'll let you know about that, in a little bit, so we can kind of see the breakdown of it. They do the incentives a little bit differently, so we'll talk about that in a moment. All right, let's check out the upstairs. All right, so right here, before we go upstairs, you got the garage, 2-car garage. The attic access is right here, and you got the tanked water heater, not the tankless, but tanked water heater. All right, so one of the things I meant to show you here is these DRB homes. They do put this trim around the windows. A lot of the builders, some of them don't do it, or they'll charge you to upgrade and put those trims in. But a lot of their homes, they actually go ahead and trim around those windows, which adds a little bit of character to the home as well. I mean, you've got all these baseboards, and it's nice to have the trim around the window as well. All right, got a little distracted there, so let me get back on here. So you got the walk-in laundry room here, and no carpet on the stairs. So you've got these nice oak threads going up the stairs. But as you get upstairs, you will see carpet. And this is the only part of the house that has carpet, which is this huge bonus room. Look how big this thing is. This thing is massive. And you got all these recessed lighting in here, so plenty of light coming in here. And you've got the 3 windows in this room as well. Okay, ensuite bathroom. Again, the same gray cabinets, black fixtures, tub shower. Okay. And in the bathroom, you do have the luxury vinyl plank in the bathroom. Walk-in closet. So if you're looking for something in the Spartanburg County area, this may be the right home for you. In the neighborhood here, they do have a swimming pool, pickleball courts, walking trails, other common areas as well in the community here, and very conveniently located. This neighborhood, there are a couple of different builders. There are 3 builders in this community. So there'll be, a decent mix of homes in this neighborhood. And this is one of the smaller plans by DRB Homes here. You can build it with a 3-bedroom with just 1 level, which it will be about a little less than 2,000 square feet, like 19 something square feet. This one is actually 2,500, a little bit over 2,500 square feet with the finished bonus room and full bathroom upstairs. If you are interested in this home, the builder right now, the incentives that they offer, which is already applied to the sales price of this home, so it's $28,000 in flex cash. Okay, I know some people worry about the interest rate right now. So if interest rate is an issue for you, you can't reverse that $28,000 flex cash and actually use it towards a 4.99% interest rate. And you also get closing costs up to $7,000 in closing costs, okay? So if you're interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050. Or you can visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. Have a fantastic day. Look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye.